The warm sun, the white sands, and the crystal clear blue waters. We must be in a faraway tropical island, right? Wrong, we're actually just one state south in Florida, in our island in the sun, Anna Maria Island. Anna Maria Island is just off the west coast of Florida, near Tampa, and for years the only way to this piece of paradise was by boat. And near the first bridge to the island from the mainland is the newly renovated Bridge Street Pier. And just down from the pier, you'll find historic Bridge Street for some serious shopping at some seriously cool spots, like this one. Back Alley has wild treasures for funky souls. Back Alley is famous for its unique works by 100 local artists. Need some beach gear? Head on over to Bridge Street Bazaar and then the Fish Hole Miniature Golf right next door. And to fuel up for all that power shopping, how about breakfast on the beach? Gulf Drive Cafe is a tropical eatery on the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. Back to shopping. Historic Pine Avenue has great shops and boutiques like Bella by the Sea Home Boutique, Beach Bums, and Pink and Navy with super trendy clothes for the super chic. At the end of Pine Avenue is Anna Maria City Pier with a great seafood restaurant at the end of the pier. And for water adventures, boating, kayaking, or just cruising around on a jet ski are all great ways to take in all that Anna Maria Island has to offer. And once back on dry land, check out the Pineapple Fish Vacation Villas. They are luxurious, stylish, and have fantastic open waterfront views. What? We're not sitting around, we're discovering the island culture, right guys? Then, for dinner and a great view of the sunset, wiggle your toes in the sand while enjoying fresh seafood at Sandbar Restaurant. Sandbar has been a favorite for decades. Then it's time to wind up your day at one of Anna Maria Island's unique accommodations, like the Mainsail Lodge and Beach Inn. Plan your Anna Maria Island getaway today with the Your Summer, Your Way offer. Buy 2, 3, or 4 nights and get a night free. For CBS Atlanta, I'm Christine Van Blockland.